Hello, this is Kalpana Chaudhary, artist and former professor. Today I'm going to narrate a real-life anecdote. A 20-year-old boy was walking down a quiet lane when he suddenly saw a sparrow whose little feet had got entangled in a wire hanging down the electricity pole. The bird was frantically struggling to free itself, but was not able to do so. Seeing its distress, the boy moved close to the bird and gently caught the bird in his hands. He untangled the wire and freed the bird. For a moment, the bird sat on his palm, feeling happy and safe. Suddenly, it fluttered its wings and flew up into the open sky. The bird was happy. The boy was happy too, because he had saved a life. So, dear friends, such small acts of courage and kindness make all the difference.